Here's a short video on how you can merge your documents to create a compliance package on Expert Pro. Expert Pro allows you to upload, store, and merge documents into a single PDF to create a compliance package for your brokerage. This makes it easier for you to keep track of your clients and ensure you meet your compliance requirements. In order to merge your documents, you will first need to go into your client's application. You can do this by clicking on Applications in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Applications, locate your client and click on their name to access their application. If they have multiple applications, click on View Applications next to their information and locate the application you require the compliance package for. You can also locate their application through their client profile. To do this, click on Board in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Board, locate the correct board the client profile is located on by clicking on the drop-down next to the board name. Once you are in the correct board, click on the client profile. Once you are in the client profile, scroll down to the Client Application section and select the application you need to create the compliance package for. Once you are in the application, you will notice the Documents tab in the navigation pane. Click on Documents. Once you are on the Documents page, you will notice a drop-down, which will allow you to select various document types. Make your selections as per your requirements. If you have a Documents template, you can click on Select Template and choose the necessary template from the drop-down and click on Use this template. Once you have added the documents as necessary, you can start by either uploading the documents from the desktop by clicking on Upload Document and making the selection from your computer, or you can send a document request to your client. You can watch our video on how to send out document requests to your clients on our How to Videos page. Once all the documents are uploaded and present on the deal, select All Documents by clicking on the checkbox next to Request Document via email. Once you have selected all the documents, click on the drop-down that says Export and Edit Options. You can then choose to either download the selected documents into a zip file for your desktop or create a consolidated PDF package. Click on Create Consolidated PDF Package and a pop-up will appear. Ensure all the required documents are included, and you can either choose to download the package, which will allow you to save the compliance package to your desktop, or you can save the package within the application itself by clicking on Save PDF to Documents. That's how you can create a compliance package and merge documents on Expert Pro.